and gentlemen. So on this video I want to give you a quick review and a quick description of the 4% platform, which is a platform that I use. I will never promote something that I don't use myself, and I think it's an incredible platform and could be extremely useful for you. So here we are. Okay, this is the back office. So once you log in, again, by the way, this is a free platform to join. Once you log in, you'll come to your back office, which will look like that. So as you can see here, I am a platinum level. You get bronze level, gold level, platinum level, or silver, gold, platinum, and diamond level. So whatever level you are, you'll get different features unlocked, and also you'll get different privileges that you could use on this platform. But again, a very good system and very well built. So looking here at the latest videos, if you click on see them all, you could see there is a ton of videos here. Now these videos are all hangout videos, training videos, how to use some of the products that they have on the site, how they use some of the tools. But there's a lot of training stuff on here too. You know, it's not just promotional videos. See, look, engineering effortless sales, open floor live Q&A for traffic, which is quite a good one. How to create passive income, the 5 biggest traffic mistakes. All they are courses, they're lessons, and they are very, very good courses. So right here, and this on your free account is completely accessible, and you can start consuming content straight away and watch some of the amazing videos that Vixtrises has put up there. Now, if you don't know who Vixtrises is, Vixtrises is one of the leading affiliate marketers in the world. He's created this platform, and his way of teaching is truly incredible. It's really, really, really good. I really enjoy it. He puts the fire in you, and again, as you know, 20% is practical and 80% is mindset. So if you could get your mindset right, that is a key. That is the key to success. And Vixtrises really, really helps you with your mindset, and also again with the practical. Very good. So if you look down from the videos, you have your welcome setup, you have your 12 rules, you have your community, your VIP partners, you have your courses, your videos, resources, eStage, which is a web builder, hub builder, funnel builder. But it's a web funnel builder which I have never seen anything like this. It is in beta right now. It's not released to the public. It's incredible, and I truly believe this is going to be the next biggest platform for building websites. And the reason why is because compared to other platforms, you could build communities on there, so you don't need Facebook. You have your autoresponders already in there, which again, you don't need to buy an autoresponder. Tracking is featured in there. Again, your traffic sources, where you could place your traffic sources and everything, is all in there. Everything is inbuilt with this one software. It is insane, and I could see how this is going to go absolutely massive once released to the public. But if you join the 4%, you could get this with 12-month free access onto your subscription, whatever subscription you take. If you go for the free plan, you won't have eStage on there, that's for sure. You have the Cheeky Boom network, you have your services, stories, and reviews. And at the bottom here, you have all your featured products, which are not all 4%. AnyWords is not 4%. It's an AI copywriting system. You've got Webinar Fuel. You've got 7K, which teaches you how to build wealth through gold and silver. So you've got a good few courses. And then underneath there, you can see you have all your reviews. And if you could see there, the Trustpilot. Okay, if you click on Trustpilot, they have just underneath 5 stars, and they have plenty reviews. So you know the course is genuine, the platform is genuine, and there's a lot of people actually succeeding on here. And again, if you're still skeptical if people are succeeding, if you join the community here, will take you to our Facebook group, which is, again, you need to be part of the 4% to go in the Facebook group, but you'll see a lot of people's successes. People are succeeding and tips on how they're succeeding, what they're doing. It's a very good community to be a part of, if you ask me. There you have your 12 rules to becoming a 4%er. They are the exact same rules that I have in my business. Definitely worth going through and reading through them. Let me just click this so you can have a quick overview on how it looks. So as you can see here, 12 rules to be a true 4%er. Then you have your rules here, and every single one of them has a short video what you could watch on the rules. Again, advise you to go through them, have a look, because it's definitely changed me as a person and made me much more productive in what I do. So let's come back. Now, as you could see, you have the VIP Center. So the VIP Center, I'm not going to go too much in depth with that. If you want to be a VIP partner, you could be a VIP partner, but you need to pay for it, and you'll have access to this back office here. But the genius thing, if you want to be a VIP partner, and you do pay to be a VIP partner, you could track your referrals, you could obviously check your earnings, and you have a leaderboard with scoring. But the best one is this one here. So let me just click on it and show you what this is all about. So as you can see, this is multiple streams of income ecosystem. This is the 4% ecosystem, and they've done this in a very clever way. So in the resources, you can see there's plenty of tools, very useful tools. You have all your autoresponders, you have your AI copywriting, you have your cloud storage, your hub communities, your live streaming, and many more, as you could see. But the beauty of it is, once you create a 4% account and you become a VIP partner, every single one of them are linked to you. So if anybody buys any resources through the 4%, you will get a commission from 4%, which is insane. It's brilliant. It's genius how they've put that up, and allows you to get people into an ecosystem and not just make money on the program that you promote, but also being able to make money on the ecosystem at a later stage. Let's come back. So now on the courses section, I am back into the VIP partners, which is not where I'm looking to go. Okay, if you go into courses, so they have a lot of courses, which is amazing. So you have 7 Steps of Freedom, which comes free. If you join, you'll be able to have that for free. There's a few in here what comes for free. I can't remember which ones they are, but there's 3 or 4 of them will come for free. And I'm sure Mindsets, Business Launch, that's free. Wealth Autopilot Academy, that's free. And 7 Steps to Freedom is free. So let's click this so you can see how the course are structured. So you can see here there's a course. So you have 7 steps. That's why it's called 7 Steps to Freedom. And each step has different little modules on there. Again, this course here is amazing. It teaches you how to set up your business for incredible success from the very start. Because if you try to build a skyscraper on the foundations of a shack, it's never ever going to work. So this teaches you exactly how to set up your finances, how to get a clear target, how to create a website, and what you should do to set up yourself for incredible success. So let's just click on one of these videos just so you could have a quick view on his teaching style and see if this is something that you enjoy.
Okay, welcome to 7 Steps to Freedom. My friend, I am genuinely excited for you. I'm genuinely excited to see you here. Congratulations for getting in here. Your life is about to change. And I know, big promise, bold statement, how dare you say that kind of stuff, right? I promise you, what you're about to embark on can completely revolutionize your business, can completely revolutionize your life, and give you the freedom that you are looking for to do what you want, with whom you want, when you want, live life on your terms, and have total control of your life, your finances, your results, and create the good life that you really want, right? So look.
So I'm not going to play this for too long. Again, you could go in the back office, you could join, and you could go through this course for free. But as you can see, he has a very unique style of teaching, and he always manages to get the best out of people and get the fire burning, so you could get through his courses, basically. So let's go through what courses he has. So he has 7 Steps to Freedom. He has Mass Traffic Blueprint. Again, great course. Teaches you the best way to set up a system for traffic. Amazing. Highly recommended. AMA Academy, which is teaching you how to do affiliate marketing. Great program. I've been through it. Highly recommend it. Well Photopilot Academy. This basically teaches you using a third-party company called 7K Metal on how to create wealth through gold and silver and make money every single day on autopilot. Great system, and Vic Strizes has built a full system around it, around the company 7K Metal, to make sure you could get customers in literally on autopilot. It's amazing. 7 Steps to Freedom Mastery. This is more in depth of 7 Steps of Freedom. Internet Traffic Mastery. Again, great course. Let me just show you the modules in here. So this here, all right, Internet Traffic Mastery. You really do not need another course on traffic if you go through this. You really don't, because if you look at the modules here, okay, it teaches you the rules of traffic, traffic strategy, and game plan. Then, okay, it shows you how to set your tracking pixels like ad roll, and then from there it shows you Instagram influencer traffic, Facebook influencer, YouTube influencer. So this is influencer traffic, okay. Then it teaches you how to get our traffic overview, so direct buys, directory, networks, marketplace. Teaches you how to get traffic from social media, Facebook hacks, Instagram hacks, YouTube hacks. Teaches you how to get traffic media overview by creating creative thinking, create your banners, your display ads, buy and sells. Is literally honestly hundreds in here for you to learn from, and like I say, if you just master one of them, you could make a lot of money. So you could literally just spend the rest of your career going through them one by one, mastering one by one, and you should be in good shape. Now let's go back to the courses. Oh, I went back too many times, so back to courses. And let's keep going through them. So you've got list building mastery, communication, copywriting, okay, conversion mastery, tribe building mastery, SEO mastery. eStage U is teaching you how to use the platform to build websites. Mindset champion, business launch, Instagram mastery, PPC secrets by Anthony Morris, Facebook fan domination, e-commerce, irresistible influencer persuasion, taxes, irresistible offer building, beyond results, Instagram, and e-commerce again. So if you are a marketer or you want to become a marketer, an affiliate marketer, you have everything here. You do not need to buy another thing ever again, because everything is under one umbrella, and the courses are extremely powerful with an awesome community. So this one takes you back to videos, resources. We just went through it, but let me just show you again. Okay, any of these resources, if you click on any of them, the person, so for example, let's say I go on get response, okay? So I clicked on get response. Guess what? Could you see this here up on top on the browser? This is Pete Catcher. This is the guy who introduced me to the 4%. So if I buy anything from there, the 4% will give him a commission for me buying, which is amazing. It truly is. He done the work, so he deserves a commission. But there you go. A very, very powerful thing. So if you bring somebody in through a product, what they want to buy, once they're in, if they buy anything else in the future from the ecosystem, you get a commission. Now, the most powerful thing I find is the Chickaboom network, and now this is insane. Here are all done for you funnels. Funnels already built for you. You don't need to do the copywriting. You do not need to build a funnel. You do not need to do anything. The funnels are here, ready to go. All right. How does it work? For example, okay, this one's not active yet, so let's try this one. So this one's active. So how does it work? As easy as that. There's a video, explains exactly how to install it. There is your link, which you just copy into your eStage, and you have your funnel completely built for you already. Then all you need to do is integrate your terms and conditions, your privacy, and your contacts page. Now, if you got a solicitor to draft you up terms of use and privacy policy, that would cost you thousands. You're getting all that for free. So I hope right now your head is spinning and you could see the power of this platform. The platform is insane. Vic Strizis is incredible at teaching, and they have a very powerful community and extremely powerful systems that you could leverage for yourself. Now, I'm not going to go into services or our stories. It's self-explanatory. And that's it. This is it about the platform. So my review about the platform is amazing. I am using it. As you can see, this is my account. You can see that I'm in here. I'm using it myself. I love it, and I'm going to keep using it, and I'm going to keep promoting the products because I truly, truly believe in them. I really recommend you to join. I'll put a link below for you to join. Join it free. Have a look around. Check out the free products, and if it's interesting to you, well, you could always buy extra things, or you could upgrade to gold or platinum. If you upgrade to gold, everything is accessible to you. You just unlock everything, basically. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for another review, and see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.